Hi, I'm Adam.
And I'm Michelle, and these are 3 games for studying fairy tales.
Our first game is Gingerbread House. This is a game in which you are taking on the role of the witch from Hansel and Gretel, and you have built a gingerbread house, and unfortunately, all these fairy tale creatures keep coming by and eating your house, and you're getting kind of mad about it, so you've decided to take it upon yourself to take care of these fairy tale creatures, these pesky fairy tale creatures. And to do so, you have to bake the right kind of cookies for each of these different fairy tale creatures to lure them in and then get rid of them. The fun part about this game is that there's so many different fairy tale creatures that you're going to spend a lot of time going, oh, where is this person even from? Wait, I didn't know this one even existed. How is that one actually even a fairy tale? And so it's just fun during the game to sit around and discuss, okay, where did this one come from or whatnot. And so this has just a lot of different classic fairy tales that most of us would know in Western culture. And it's just a fun game to sit around, play, and it's an activity to do to reflect on a lot of the fairy tales that you might be studying.
Similar Fables is obviously also about fairy tales. You're going to have a table full of cards, and one of those cards is the card that needs to be figured out. This game is cooperative, and so one person is giving clues while the others are trying to guess. And as they play out cards, they're going to position those cards in a way that tells the other players that either this is what the character that I have picked is like, or this is what the character I have picked is not like. And so as they play, they're trying to eliminate some of the characters. So then you've got this thing where you are trying to figure out, what are they telling me with this card? They're saying it is like this girl. Say it's Cinderella. And so it's like Cinderella, but over here on the board, there aren't any other characters from Cinderella, but there are some girls. So maybe they're trying to tell me that it's a girl. So it's a great way to do deduction practice. It makes you really think, kind of stretches out your brain. And you can talk about the characters too as they come up. Oh, who is this story from? Or like, what story is this person from or this character from? And it's a great tie-in, and also just kind of a fun way to play with the fairy tale characters that you have been learning about.
Our last one is Fairy Tale. It's a small box game. This is just a card drafting game, and it's a set collection. So what you're going to be doing is you're just trying to collect. Maybe you need to collect a bunch of fairies because you have a fairy garden, or maybe you have to collect a certain amount of. You have a castle, so you have to collect a certain amount of knights. And these are just kind of a mix, hodgepodge, if you will, of different fairy tale-esque creatures. You're going to have fairies and elves and I think possibly dwarves.
And dragons.
And dragons. Definitely lots of dragons in there. And whoever has the most of each set is going to win at the end of the game. So this one is just more of a fun game of set collection and just sitting around the table and talking with each other about where some of these different fairy tales or legends even came from.
What is your favorite fairy tale? We'd love to know. Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.